So, we're back here at the well site, and I got two chunks connected together, which is 10 feet plus 3 feet, so we're at 13. This is a 10-foot casing, so we're about 8 feet or so down. So theoretically, we should be able to drop this pipe in the smaller pipe here, and it should work. Now I'm seeing that these couplers, I'm wondering if they're going to clear, so we may wind up having to use the 6-inch pipe instead. You're going to need well lubricant in order to do this, and I like to use this for a well lubricant, and this is an IPA, a local one, so we'll try a little of this before we start. Okay, that helps things. This is a well driving cap. It's a heavy cast iron, I think it is. I'll put this on the end, it'll keep debris out, and when we start pounding on it, it'll won't damage the threads in the pipe, so you can get another section of pipe on there. But I gotta go slow here, going down, because I don't know if these couplers or that tip is going to clear a 2.5 inch section of this pipe, so we'll see. It's going to be close. And nope. Okay, so we're going to do this guy right here. Do this 6-inch. Boom. Okay. All right. And then I don't have a post pounder with me at the moment. There we go. But I'm going to use this sledge and see if I can get a little further in there. I think it's going to be better with a post pounder for my buddy that I'm going to have to pick up in the next couple days. So until then, I'll let you know how it goes. Signing off.